What is SMP? Hey guys, welcome back today. Our topic for today is scalp micropigmentation durability and long-term maintenance. What is SMP? SMP is a cosmetic procedure that simulates hair follicles on a board or thinning scalp. It's great for creating the appearance of a filled hairline. The results are instant and great, right? But how does it hold up over time? Depends on skin type and your hair loss conditions. Touch-ups are recommended every 3 to 4 years. But you wanna know? I also doing SMP treatment. As you can see here, my SMP actually can lasting for 7 years now. Like I say, choosing an expert practitioner, following proper aftercare, and having the right skin type are essential. So the conclusion is, SMP can last for years with proper care, much more flexible and better if you compare with a wig and do hair transplant. We will discuss this solution on our next video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe. Semoga sehat selalu. Jumpa lagi. Bye.
Do not forget to comment if you have any question about SMP.